take out the papers and the trash, or you don't get no spending cash. If you don't scrub that kitchen floor, you ain't gonna rock and roll no more. Yakety yak.
Don't talk back.
Just finished cleaning up your room. Let's see that dust fly with that broom. Get all that garbage out of sight, or you don't go out Friday night. Yakety yak.
Don't talk back.
You just put on your coat and hat and walk yourself to the laundromat. And when you finish doing that, bring in the dog and put out the cat. Yakety yak.
Don't talk back.
Don't you give me no dirty looks. Your father's hip, he knows what cooks. Just tell your hoodlum friend outside, you ain't got time to take a ride. Yakety yak.
Don't talk back.
Yakety yak, yakety yak. Yakety yak, yakety yak. Yakety yak, yakety yak. Yakety yak, yakety yak. Yakety yak, yakety yak.
Hey, only I wear the shades here.
It's right there. It's right there, man. It's right there.
I can't see. These eyes are fake, man.
Oh, God. I couldn't push it. What happened? You were there?
Give me the money. Give me the money.
Just kidding. Joking. You're okay, right? Okay, right? Hey.
No.
Fix your face. He's not even a child, so just so you know that. He's, what are you, 25?
I didn't know how deep you is. Nice.
Awesome. Don't look at the camera.
Position. Start. Computer.
Yeah, good going.
Computer.
Don't go back.
Yakety yak, yakety yak. Yakety yak, yakety yak. Yakety yak, yakety yak.
I think we got it.
Oh.
Whew. Thanks for bearing with me on that one, guys. My right arm was like going to sleep for a second.